I understand completely because I've been in a similar situation like that.
Yeah, I know you were involved with Carlton.
But that's not what I'm talking about.
No?
No. Your situation is truly investigating somebody you care about. And I have had to do the same thing.
And it wasn't Carlton?
No, it wasn't. It was my best friend and my nephew. The difference is, I mustered up the courage to tell my best friend. You didn't tell Carlton.
I couldn't. I was in so deep. And I remember telling Mr. Mullins that I would do anything to bring people to justice. I can truly say I regret taking that oath at that point in time because it broke me.
What is this really about, Celine? What is it? You want to reconcile with him? You want to patch things back up? What?
No, not necessarily to get back with him. I just want to prove that I didn't intend to hurt him. It was not my intention to be deceitful. And I think the only way I can really and truly do that is by helping him.
Helping him? How? Listen, the Carlton Wallace I know, I don't believe he wants any help from you, me, nor nobody from the agency.
Well, maybe nobody else from the agency, but he might need my help.
Really? Why is that so?
So, Carlton gave his cousin an assignment to check on some forged documents with his name on it for a project that is happening at Hilltop.
Forged documents? Wait a minute. You're telling me that the project at Hilltop has Carlton's name on it and he's not involved?
Mm-hmm. And when his cousin started getting information on it, he went missing.
Missing? But if memory serves me correct, Radcliffe Morgan and Tony Xpressionz supposed to be a part of that project.
Exactly.
So you think that they're involved with Carlton's cousin going missing?
Well, he's not missing anymore because he contacted Carlton.
So what's the issue?
So somebody got to the cousin and threatened to hurt his son. So now he's in hiding. And Carlton's name is still on the documents.
So what part do you want to play in this?
So for one, I wanted to assist with getting his name removed from the document because I know Carlton is always caught up and always invested in his reputation. He's really concerned about that. Two, I was thinking we could trace the number just to make sure his cousin is safe and we could give him some peace of mind. Three, to get his cousin and his nephew into a safe house, just to ensure that they're safe.
Alright, Celine. 1 and 2 is possible. 3, take it off your list completely.
Why? What if the cousin's really in danger?
Look, I suspect that you come talk to me about Carlton and what is happening with him because you don't want Mr. Mullins to find out.
Definitely not.
And that is why the safe house is off limits. Once any one of the agency safe houses are activated, Mr. Mullins is alerted.
Everyone?
Come to think of it, there may be one or two that's off the radar. But let me ask you this. Are you doing this because of your emotional attachment to Carlton?
No. I'm doing this because it's the right thing to do. His cousin and his nephew might be in some real trouble, and his reputation is at stake. After all, I own this.
Carlton Wallace may have his flaws, Cecily. But you see, once it comes down to housing, he's an honorable man. Can't take that from him. I'll assist you.
Thanks, Angie.
I'm going to give you 2 links from the agency that can pull the documents for you. And another number for the person who can trace the call. Don't worry. Mr. Mullins won't know.
I really appreciate it. Because what I know for sure, if he finds out about this, I'm done.
You? You mean we? Listen, one of the reasons why I'm assisting you is that Mr. Xpressionz's name may come up. And if his name comes up, then Miss Miranda Suarez's name will also come up. And that for me is very personal.
Speaking of Miss Suarez, I got some information that she's hosting a group in Port Royal that's coming in on a cruise ship sometime next week. So you might want to look into that.
Amazing. Thanks for the heads up. Where there's cruise ship, there is entertainment. Feel like dancing?
No. You might need to get a dance group for that.